Hello, welcome to Help, Helpful English Learning Place, the channel for all your English learning needs. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Today's video is about question words, how and why. How? How are you? How do you do this puzzle? Why? Why are you angry? Why do you love rabbits? Your turn. Choose the question word how or why. Why? Why is he crying? He is hungry. How? How old are you? I am 9. Why? Why are you wet? It is raining. How? How does he go to school? He walks to school. How? How is the watermelon? It's delicious. Why? Why are you not in school? I am sick today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, click like and subscribe, and you can also click on the bell so you don't miss any new videos.